The new 2020 Winnebago View 24D is equipped with the new third-generation Mercedes-Benz VS30 Sprinter chassis, which is powered by the 3-liter 6-cylinder turbo diesel platform boasting 325 pounds-feet of torque or power. It's then mated up with the new 7G Tronic Plus transmission, which is equipped with grade-breaking capabilities. It does include safety enhancements. Do have 3 different sets of safety airbags. We include hydraulic 4-wheel anti-lock brakes and adaptive ESP technology for superior ride and handling. The coach is powered on the VS30 chassis, which does include the upgraded 11,030 pound gross vehicle weight rating chassis. So it includes nearly 1,100 pounds of occupant and cargo carrying capacity, of which then you would reduce for people, cargo, and any fresh water that you may travel with. This is a stark upgrade compared to competing RV manufacturers such as the TIFF and Wayfarer, in which their cargo carrying capacity can range anywhere from 500 to 700 pounds, leaving you with minimal cargo opportunities. An all-new contemporary interior. This is the only interior available for 2020. This is the Harmony Beige interior. It's paired up with high-gloss walnut Technoform Italian cabinetry by Technoform Industries. We provide, using computer-aided design, all of the measurements to Technoform, which is a high-end Italian yacht cabinetry manufacturer, so that not only can we maximize interior storage, but we can minimize tolerances in fit and finish, which long-term will minimize squeaks and rattles compared to competing RV manufacturers. The reason why we make this investment with the Technoform Italian cabinetry is twofold. First of all, the cabinetry is extremely lightweight, so it does free up that 1,100 pounds of cargo carrying capacity, but it's also moisture resistant. A great large spacious inline galley with a larger compressor driven refrigerator and freezer, a large full bath. Of course, we maintain what everybody loves, that powered Murphy Plus bed, which is a true walk-around queen bed inside that large spacious slide-out. There you'll see the switch for the powered Murphy Plus bed that does include the sofa. And then forward of that, you can see here, new for 2020 is the oversized U-Lounge with ottomans that flip up that can be used as a dual chase lounger, but a large, expansive 42 by 79 inch sleeping surface. All new contemporary LED lighting. Overhead then is the Super Shell sleeper deck. A convenient alternate location for that pedestal table. Right in between the dual Artico leather seats from Mercedes-Benz that do rotate to become integral lounge chairs and do include the cab seat cushions for a taller, more residential feel. Of course, throughout front to back the RV, we do use the upgraded Beauflor vinyl flooring. You can literally Swiffer this coach out in a matter of seconds. So an all-new two-tone interior. This is the Harmony Palette Collection with the walnut high-gloss Technoform Italian cabinetry. Thank you for visiting Lichtsinn RV here in Forest City, Iowa, the home of Winnebago Industries. I'm Ron Lichtsinn, and I want to thank you for visiting our dealership here in Forest City, Iowa. Here are some great points from the Lichtsinn RV team as to points unrelated to price, why you should experience the best here at Lichtsinn RV.
New motorhomes from Lichtsinn RV have no delivery miles on them. We do not use delivery services like other dealers in which drivers live in the RV during transportation or tow their own personal vehicle during the crucial engine break-in period.
There are no additional fees with purchasing in the state of Iowa, as the customer will pay their tax, title, and license in which the state that they register their RV. However, we do help in assisting titling your RV in your home state. As you can see, we help people day in and day out all over the United States and Canada with titling their motorhome.
Due to our close proximity to Winnebago Factory, we're able to take advantage of cost savings over other RV dealerships. This allows us to provide you with low, no-hassle pricing.
We offer free, thorough walkarounds with our guests at the time of delivery, where we take as much time as needed for our guests to understand every function, maintenance, and warranty item of their RV. Many dealers charge a significant sum to provide this service.
Here at Lichtsinn RV, we provide our guests the opportunity to stay on our lot while enjoying free access to Wi-Fi, filtered fresh water, and electrical hookups, whether they're here to take delivery of their new RV or just passing through for service.
We work with several different lenders in order to secure you the most competitive rates and terms.
We also offer insurance from several different insurance carriers such as Progressive and Nationwide.
Purchase and service your RV and experience the best at Lichtsinn RV, the nation's closest dealer to Winnebago Industries, based right here in Forest City, Iowa.